All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you and welcome back. Here is the problem that you were supposed to do on your own with direct substitution. So I'm finding p of 3. So I'm going to replace the x with 3 in this polynomial. And then I am going to solve what I have here. So this is 9 times 81 minus 5 times 9 plus 4. So then we go 9 times 81, which is 729 minus 5 times 9, which is 45, plus 4. And then putting that all together, we end up with 688. Again, direct substitution, plug it into the value, follow your order of operations. Okay? You've done that before. We're just doing it in the terms of polynomials right now. Okay? Let's go ahead and move on to something that you might not have done, excuse me, and that is evaluating by synthetic substitution. Now, sometimes with these long polynomials, it's a lot of work to get through to evaluate. So we have a type of substitution called synthetic that makes the process faster. Okay. So what we're going to do is take the coefficients of each of these terms and write them out. Now, notice that we're missing a squared term. X to the fourth, x cubed, no x squared x. Okay? We need the coefficient for that term. Remember, we really should be talking about this as 0x squared minus 4x plus 8, right? We've got that missing one. So when we write out our terms, we're going to write these out, or excuse me, our coefficients. We're going to write them out including the 0, okay? And then I'm going to draw this down, and I'm going to draw a line over it here, and then I'm going to put the 3 onto the side, okay? So again, this is a process that is faster than doing direct substitution. And it works like this. There's 3 steps. Okay, the first step is bring down. So we're going to bring the 2 down and write it there. Step 2 is to multiply. So we're going to take 3 times 2, and that's 6. And then the third step is to add. And so we're going to add these now. -5 plus 6 is 1. And then step 4 is to repeat 2 and 3 until finished. And I'm going to spell until correctly. So we're going to go through this whole thing, and we're going to keep doing 2 and 3 until we're done. So multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Add. 0 plus 3 is 3. Multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. Add. -4 plus 9 is 5. Multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. Add. 8 plus 15 is 23. And that right there is our final answer. And you will notice that if we compare it to the one we did with direct substitution, it is the same solution, right? But we did it significantly faster because we don't have to deal with all of these very large powers. So as long as we write out all of the coefficients correctly, then we can follow this simple multiply, add process and find the value in the end. All right, I've got one for you to practice back on your notes, so go check that out, and I will see you in just a moment.